Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to create revolutions slider on WordPress in WordPress. So guys, first step, log in your account on WordPress. After that, you find on this section from here, guys, you find this option. You find the slider revolutions. As you can see here, click you find this option from here on your account. After that, complete the steps, guys. Click this one, guys. Click this one, revolution slide. Click after that, choose the slider type of slider standard and click full screen option. From here, copy this code. After that, guys, what you have to do, copy this code, go to this page option, go to page option and click all page. From here, click edit. You see this elementor edit. After that, click on the search bar, search for short, so as you can see, short code. Search for source code on Google search bar, and after that copy, drag this one here. After that, click apply and copy this code. Guys, copy, come from here and click apply, as you can see here, and from here click apply and copy this code. I hope, guys, this video, and click save from here. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon. This all the steps you come from create a slider from here. Thanks, guys, again.